What's good? Welcome back to another video on my free trading course. So in this video, I'm just going to go over things that I wish I knew when I started trading that I'm going to teach you from my mistakes. Real quick, if you're looking for a new broker or looking for a broker in general, try Liquid Brokers, my favorite broker. They have low spreads starting from zero. They have cheap commission fees. They're a regulated broker as well, so your money is protected. And they have different chartings that you can use and whatever best fits your trading style. Fast withdrawals, fast deposits, whatever you want. So yeah, check out Liquid Brokers. Number one, do not overcomplicate it. Trading is actually pretty simple with the strategy and everything. The only thing that makes trading pretty hard is the mental aspect and the emotional aspect. But once you learn the strategy is easy. You just guys use your mental and your emotional, get that under control, get the discipline under control, you'll be fine. You don't have to overcomplicate it with millions of indicators because there are multiple trading gurus on YouTube saying use this indicator, put these indicators on your chart, makes your chart look ugly, and you don't want that. Just naked chart trade. If one strategy don't work, don't go to the next. Write it down. Why didn't it work? What was the mistake? Where did I go wrong? Do that. Document it. Don't overcomplicate it. It's really not that complicated. You just got to be able to control yourself. That's one of the hardest things about trading is controlling yourself. Because once you feel your money and your account rising up, you're going to start to feel that greed come in. Trust me, I've been there, lost a lot of money. So another thing is don't worry about the money. Worry about the strategy. Yes, you are in day trading to make money, but that is not what you need to worry about as a beginner trader. What you need to worry about is my strategy winning? If it's not winning, why is it not winning? What am I doing wrong? Did I miss a step? Write down a checklist of your strategy. Make sure before you take a trade, look at your checklist. I did this for years. Don't worry about the money. Worry about if your strategy is winning. Because if your strategy is winning, then your money will be there. Your money will be made. Another thing, do not worry about your account size. I used to worry about my account size a lot. I'm like, I'm at this amount, or I'm at $1,000. I can possibly make this. I'm at this much. I'm at 10,000, 20,000. Don't worry about your account size. Like I said, worry about if you're winning. Also, do not worry about how much you win. Don't worry about the dollar amount that you win. So if you have $100 and you get in and you made $5, be fine with that. Or if you make $1, be fine with that. And the reason I say be fine with that, because if you look at it dollar-wise versus percent-wise, you're gonna mess yourself up every time. It's gonna mess with your psychology. Then you're gonna end up losing. If you look at it percent-wise, you make 1% a day or 5% a day if you make $5. That's a lot more than banks pay you in APY a year. Just throwing that out there. If you're doing that 5 days a week, 4 days a week, how many days you decide to trade, you will compound your account and grow it exponentially. Also, do not get in here thinking I'm going to be a millionaire overnight. That is not how this works, because when you first start, you're probably going to lose quite a bit of trades. And the reason I say that is because it's like you go train for boxing. And when you're training for boxing, on your first weekend, you try to spar. You're gonna get beat up. These people have been training for years. You're not gonna get in there and beat up a professional boxer or people who's been boxing for years. So think of it like that. You're gonna get in there, you're gonna spar, you're gonna get beat up, you're gonna see your mistakes, you're gonna improve each time. But the thing is, you have someone giving you a 100% free course on my exact strategy. I'm gonna break down everything. So that way you don't have to go through what I went through. Because if I knew back then what I know now, I would have got a mentor. So another mistake I made, time frames. There's another mistake I made. I would go from the 4 hour to the 1 hour to the 2 hour to the 30 minute to the 15 to the 1 to the 5. I was using so many time frames. I am a scalper trader. All I need is the 5 and the 15. I don't use the 1 minute hardly ever. And I only use the 4 hour when I'm looking at zones. Because thing is, when you're looking at these zones, of course, we're going to tap in and do react to the zones. But typically, if you're a scalper trader, all you need is the 5 and the 15. Now, if you're a swing trader, day trader, long-term trader, whatever the case, then yeah, you would need higher time. Another mistake of mine was trying to do swing trading or intraday trading or day trading. I am a scalper. That's what I'm best at. I'm in the market, I'm out the market, hopefully within 20 minutes, and I'm gone about my day, having fun, whatever I had planned for the day. Swing trading, most of the time I would lose. If I hold trades for 2 or 3 days, I would just lose. It just didn't work for me. I noticed I started winning when I was just scalping it. Like I get in, I get out, and I'm done. It's just as simple as that. And also understand banks have the advantage. Like I said a second ago, you have retail traders, which is us. You have big bank traders, which is the big banks. I don't want to put any names just because of copyright, whatever reasons, but you have big bank traders. They are trading against us. You don't want to be in trades too long because they have millions and billions of dollars to move the market. Our money is not going to move the market. So when you're in these trades, do not try to think if it's going against you and you got your stop loss set, let it hit your stop loss. Take the L and come back the next day, do it again, right? You don't want to sit up and move your stop loss, move it, and then you blow your account. That's stupid. Don't do that. Like I've done it before, so I was being stupid, but don't do that. Take the L, come back, and do it again another day. They have demo accounts you can use where you can paper trade, use fake money. I don't recommend it. If you want to use it, just use it. And the reason I don't recommend it is because it doesn't give you that real emotional and mental aspect of trading. It gives you a false aspect of trading where once you get in these markets on a real live account and you get in this trade, then you're going to start feeling that rush and that emotional and that mental aspect of it. You're not going to be able to master that doing a demo account. Start with a $20 or $30 account. You don't have to start with a lot of money. Like if you can't flip a small account, you can't flip a big account. You don't need a lot of money to start. Just start with $20 or $30. And if you're able to make money off that $20 or $30 and profit off that $20 or $30, most of the time you're not even gonna have to put in money because you flip that $30. It's not, rocket science. Just throw that in there. And if you don't have $30 to put in there, go get your little 9 to 5, save up the money, go sell your PlayStation, get the money, do it. Also, document your losses. I used to not document my losses and try to keep a mental note, knowing I should have been documenting because I forget a lot of stuff. But document your losses. Find out what mistakes you made. Find out how can you do better. Pay attention to the loss. Pay attention to the market at the time of loss. Like what did the market do this time that made me lose? So that way, when it comes up again and you see the same thing the market do, capitalize on it. Because the markets do the same thing pretty much almost every day. They do the same thing. They do these certain things, looking at patterns. That's pretty much all the mistakes I made that I wish I knew. Don't overcomplicate this. I'm telling you, don't overcomplicate it. It's really not that complicated. Only the emotional and the mental aspect of it is complicated. But once you master that, you should be good to go. But watch this video as many times as you need to. And watch this course as many times as you need to. And I will see y'all in the next video.